Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I'm going to be setting up this weekly dashboard page in my Ink Bucket planner. This is the 2022 planner, by the way. And for that, if you're new, I usually use stickers to kind of make my spreads look pretty. And part of using stickers for me is to it really motivates me. It's something to look forward to, I really get excited by the process of going through my stash, seeing what stickers I want to use and what's my mood, those kind of things. I really love it, and I think stickers is what really made me to consistently use my planners for the last few years. So let's get right into it. And these weekly dashboard pages, they're really great for just to take some time to reevaluate, to just reassess things, see how you have done for the past week regarding your goals. And in case if you have set any goal that you're not really vibing with, think about how you can change the approach towards that, or go look at your quintessential plan if you don't know what that is. Basically, after you set a goal, I sort of break that down and prepare a very detailed plan so that I know what exactly I am working towards here. I have made a video on that. You can definitely check it out. And then I'm just I want to cut this. Give me a sec. I think something that helps me to cut it straight are these cards. So just want it to be straight, or as straight as possible. Anyways, what I was saying is, in the quintessential plan, just go have a look at it, see if you wanna take something from that plan and use it for this particular week, or if you want to change your goal altogether, you can do that. Give yourself the permission to change your goal. Sometimes I know it's too early to have a different mindset. Usually after 2-3 months, you'll be once you're consistently working on your goals, you'll be able to see if this is something that you want, or if something else is more aligned with who you want to be and where you want to go. So, but still give yourself the permission to reevaluate things. I think this is a great time to just reset that, or even if your plan is not working out, can you reevaluate that? So just a reminder. And okay, I'm just trying to see, what I usually do is put a washi tape here and replace the headers. And for headers, I think I will be using these stickers itself, and these are pretty dark, so I don't think I'll really need to white out the headers. Okay, so here we go. I think this spread is one of the most important spreads in a planner for me. I didn't realize this until 2022, when I really started to pay close attention to my goals and approach it from a different perspective. In the 2020 planner, the weekly dashboard wasn't this extensive, and that is fine too. I don't think there is a necessity for all of these sections. I really don't think that. I think the mandatory ones would be, one, just doing a reflection of the past week. Think about how it has been, how your actions have been in terms of the plan that you had set, the goals that you had set. Is your actions matching your intentions? That is one thing. And then something else would be to just a memory, some good thing that happened, highlights. That's one thing. And then another thing would be gratitude. So I feel like these three things are quite mandatory to just have a look every single week. And then if your finances, like if you're just starting out with your finances, like planning for it and preparing a budget, or even if you're not preparing a budget, you want to be more conscious about your finances, then something to look at would be the weekly expenses. Right now I am doing it in an Excel. I'm thinking of getting the a dot grid notebook and sort of creating my own budget planner, because I have figured out some of the systems that do work for me, but it's just that I'm not able to find a planner that is perfect for that. What I need for my budget planner is like a monthly calendar. I really need this to see visually, like when am I shopping for my groceries, when am I paying my bills, and other things like that. And then I need a couple of like line pages or dot grid pages. I think I'll need at least like 4 of these in a month. So I'm not able to find a planner that has all these things. So I thought, why not just get a dot grid notebook? That way I can prepare my own calendar, and then the remaining pages I can use it for whatever I want to. Meal plan, I was hoping the Alicia Souza planner would get here today, but I don't know, the shipping has generally been a bit slow. Like whether you're ordering from Amazon or other platforms like that, or I'm getting it from India, it's gotten a bit slow. So I don't know when that's gonna come on the like the DHL portal. It shows that by Monday EOD I will get it, but I think I'll go ahead and for next week too, I'll use this as a log whenever I get my planner, and when I start to use it, I'll move to that. If you didn't know, I'm planning to use my Alicia Souza planner for my wellness. For my goal, I want to use one of these like star stickers. We have them, so why not use it, because I've noticed that I don't really use these type of stickers. It's quite rare, but lately I've just been figuring out anywhere that I could use it, and I'm using it, and kind of looks nice too. So my goal for this week is to honor the boundaries that I have set. And by this I mean like not letting things overlap with each other, or not I don't know if prioritizing is the right word though. Basically, if I have planned to work on a particular thing during this day, during this time, I really want to honor that, unless there is anything that I can't do about it. So that is something I noticed this week, that I have been like fluctuating a lot. You know, I think that I want to do this at this point in time, then I just don't end up doing it. I do something else, then that particular aspect of my life takes a backseat. So this week I just want to keep reminding myself to honor the boundaries. When I'm working on my job, just focus on that. When I'm working like on the content stuff, just focus on that. So this, I feel like it'll really help me to just enjoy everything that I am doing. So that is something I want to focus on. I feel like I want to put something else. Let's see at the end. For my routine, I have 5 things that I want to add, and this too based on sometimes I choose it based on the guidance and sometimes I don't. So my first routine task is, just wanted to use these stickers. We have so many of them, so why not? The first one is yoga. I've been doing the yoga with Adrian challenge, and I just want to like continue with that. this whole month. I can't really believe like we're already 1 week into the challenge. So the other one is visualization. Last week I have been doing meditation, and I just wanted to switch things up and add visualization. So that's one. Then it is journaling. The botanical story planner, I'm using it as a daily journal. It's obviously a small planner with limited space. The whole point of me selecting that planner for journaling was to like not give myself any reason that I don't have the time to do it, because it hardly takes doesn't even take 5 minutes. So I've been really enjoying it, and I always see the need to journal more, and that's such a good feeling. So I thought this week I'll take some time to journal, because I just really want to. The space in that is like not enough for my for my need and desire and interest to journal. So that habit, I will definitely keep it going. That I do it usually in the mornings or in the night before I go to bed. So I'll keep doing that. But during the day, today actually I am planning to journal. So after I film and get this uploaded, I will go ahead and journal. So I just want to continue that in the upcoming week. And then something else that's important is walk. So I want to keep that going too. Then I've got just another thing that I want to add, which I think this is like a habit that it's not like up to the ideal mark, but I'm just doing minimal, how much ever I can, whether it is tidying up the desk or like making the bed. I'm just doing at least parts of it. So I just want to continue and build on that. For the meal plan, I want to use like a fork and knife sticker. Those are just so cute. I really like them. They look so nice. Here we go. We have this here. Just wanted to put that here. This one I'm just feeling like it's a bit blank, so let's wait. I was thinking, should I add the washi tape or add something else on there? Okay, then comes the guidance. So the card that I have got for this week is Radha. You may or may not know Radha is the goddess of passionate love and longing. And this is the first time that I'm getting this card, and it was so surprising because I've been using this particular card set for, I guess, like 1.5 years now. So it's definitely more than 18 months. But I was very happy to see this card, and something that this card denotes is, if you are in love, or if you aren't, then you're gonna soon be in love. So that was a really nice message. And what I wanted to write here is so I think I'll use a bit of cursive writing. So with my tarot readings, what I usually do is I take the message that the card denotes, and I also kind of give an action step to myself, something that I can do to honor the message that I have received. So I just write that here, And what I wanted to write for this week is, so what I've written here for my action step is that be open to experiencing euphoric bliss and surrender. So not really like controlling the scenarios a lot, just to like surrender and also to not lose hope. So I added that here, and there is a really nice like heart sticker, so I thought of adding it over here. So this is really good, and going with the same theme of the guidance message that I have received for the I usually like select an affirmation based on the guidance message that I have received. So this week it is going to be, I am surrounded by love. This is the affirmation, and what I do with this affirmation is I have like a separate notebook. I write down this affirmation every day for about like 12 times or something, and that's because that page has I think 25 lines, so I just split it into 2 halves and write 12 times. I'd say minimum write it at least 10. I feel like that is what helps it to like get into your brain. So 10 times is a minimum. Just because I have some extra lines, I go ahead and write it 12 times. There are definitely days where I don't do it, and on those days so the days on which I don't write my affirmation is usually like I'm really busy on those days and I have a lot of things to get done, and I use my Happy Wagon Undated Daily Planner on such days. I don't have it with me right now. If not, I would have shown it to you. So in that planner, you have a space for happiness quote of the day or like positive affirmation for the day. So in there, I write this down like once. So just daily, reminding myself of that message, and it constantly brings me back to the intention that I have set at the beginning of the week while I'm filming this video, so that I can match my actions to that. So here we have it. I feel like adding some sticker here too, because I'm just adding it like there's some sort of decorative sticker everywhere. Probably like just put this home one, because why not? Okay, so we have this section. I still haven't like figured out what I'm gonna do here. I thought I'll put a cleaning or like an organizational tasks for the week. I mean, I feel like that's a good thing to do because I haven't been that good at it, so why not do that? So I don't know what exactly I want to add. I'll probably do it sometime this week whenever I decide what that's gonna be. There's this odd space which I'm not really liking it. It's bothering me a bit. So the goal that I would add here is like eat home cooked meals. Okay, so here we go. We have our weekly dashboard page ready for the upcoming week, and with the reflection part, I usually do it on Monday mornings. So I do like highlights, then I do gratitude, as well as just a bit of journaling, something that is going on in my mind at that point in time. So yeah guys, this is the weekly dashboard page, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and you found it helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.